Greetings guys, the Handpainted Weapon course with my mentorship is finally here. Registration is open and the course will start in a couple weeks, early November, really soon. We will have 5 weeks with you to make some epic weapon and I will guide you through all the process. Starting from how to design and make a concept art while you're not a concept artist. Yeah, very interesting. We're gonna start with simple silhouette and gonna finish with some colorful version of our concept. And gonna do some interesting forms and shapes with our mesh, modeling in Blender or Maya. And talk a bit about the UV maps for hand-painted objects. And do a lot of work with the colors, painting and exploring our materials. And of course texturing, a lot of texturing, the main process here. And the last part will be your work presentation and rendering in Marmoset or Sketchfab or both of them. If you are interested, hit ZugZugstudio.com or check the link in the description. There you will find all the info about the course. Sign in and let's have some fun together. See ya!